Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Mockingbird. In today's video, we'll be unboxing the MI's latest phone, Mi10 5G Pro. So without wasting any time, let's go to the unboxing of the Mi10 5G. So this is the box which Mi10 Pro comes in, a black colored box. So let's unbox. So at first you can see the SIM taking out pin, and then there is a earphone jack 3.5mm which can be connected to the C port. Then there is the manual and the guarantee card. Then there is the cover which is transparent and flexible. Then it comes with a fast charging C-type cable, and then there is a fast charging white color adapter which supports 65-watt charging. So now let's look onto the phone. So the phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, which is best for gaming and high-end processing like editing in the phone. Then it comes with 4 cameras, 1.0 MP cameras. Then it has a good dot cancel display. Then there is 30-watt wireless charging and 45-watt inline charging. So let's unwrap the phone. So as you can see, the front part is black and back part is white. It comes within a black and white combination. The back side is partially reflective and the design is superb. You can see the different colors that appear. It's not fully pure white, and the back side is super smooth. There is a branding given on the bottom, Mi 5G, and the trademark being given. There is a flash, and the 4th camera is separated from the other 3 cameras, and it is attached on the left side top corner. The primary lens is of 16MP. The sides have been given a metallic finish, smooth finish, which goes well with the other 2 colors, black as well as white. On the top you can see a speaker. So there are 2 speakers on the top as well as on the bottom, and then there is memory slot on the top. On the bottom side you can see another speaker, C port charging port, and then there is the SIM port. You can only put one SIM in this phone. It's not a dual SIM phone, and you can only put a nano SIM. So there is a nano SIM port. And in the front side there is a camera which is punch hole camera, and the borders are fully black. So let's switch on the phone. So this is the interface of the phone. It is so handy. The phone is so handy and comfortable within the hand. And with the cover put in, the camera doesn't pops out and doesn't make any scratches. And the response rate, the power on button response is so fast. Now let's test the fingerprint sensor, and it also works very fast. Within 2 seconds it opens up. The refresh rate is also too fast compared to other Mi phones. So let's test the sound quality. It gives a loud voice because of the 2 speakers on the top as well as on the bottom. And as you can see, there are no borders for this video. You can fit in the video full screen and it takes up all the space of the phone. There are no borders and the sound quality is good. Bass as well as treble is of good quality. Now let's test this game. This is Asphalt, and the refresh rate helps this phone to play without a lag. The touch sensors work very fast. Superb. Let's test the camera. So it comes in with different modes of photo, panorama, manual focus, everything. You can adjust manually all those parameters, ISO, exposure, all these. There is manual expanding of zooming in as well as there is automatic zooming in. There is an auto focus option. And talking about the video, you can shoot the video in 4K, 2K and 1080p. There are different modes available. So it has a HD, Ultra HD video shooting mode. The zooming clarity goes out as you zoom when you take a video. So without zooming, the video quality is good. And there are different modes of taking photos, filters, inbuilt filters that's available. So I hope you guys like this video, enjoyed this unboxing. So if you like this video, please do give a like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon to get the notifications on this channel. Thank you guys.